Wraparound area well extensions, the easy way to manage a changed grade. From time to time, construction or landscaping plans may change, and the lot grade will need to differ from the original plan. For this reason, Boman Kemp offers wraparound area well extensions. A good example would be where the homeowner decided later to add a patio. In this situation, the area well is likely too short. Rather than digging out and replacing the entire area well, a wraparound area well extension can be used to achieve the desired area well height. The extensions come in two heights, 13 inches and 23 inches. The extensions have a 1-inch larger projection and are flattened on the bottom edge so that they nest inside the corrugation at the top of the existing area well. This locks them together and gives a secure, durable fit. Here are the steps for installation. Step 1. Identify how much you need to raise the grade. Please note, when raising the grade for a concrete patio, the top of the area well requires a minimum of 2 inches above the finished concrete for proper safety grate installation. In this example, we need to raise the grade 8 to 9 inches. 2. Identify the size of the existing area well. Each area well is marked with a code. The code tells the size of the area well. This area well is a 5236-60. 52 is the width, 36 is the projection, and 60 is the height. So we will order a 5237-13, which is the same width, 52 inches, and 1 extra inch of projection, and 13 inches tall, which is enough to raise the grade the 8 to 9 inches we are looking for. 3. Remove the protective strip. Area wells have a flexible protective strip around the top edge. Carefully remove the strip and set it aside for later. 4. Installation of the extensions. On a buck mount, position the extension over the installed area well and slide down as many corrugations as needed to acquire the desired height. Identify the top keyhole slots on both sides and mark with a pencil for installation of wedge anchors spaced approximately 10 inches. Washers are required. On a wall mount area well extension, to facilitate the proper fit of a safety grate, ensure that the measurement from keyhole to keyhole on the top anchor bolts measure as described. A 4-foot area well that is listed as 56 will require 57 inches. A 5-foot well that is listed as 68 will require 69 inches. And a 6-foot well that is listed as 80 will require 81 inches. Installing wraparound area well extensions can be performed by one person, but it is much easier with 2 people.